What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color yellow from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson by drawing the beak in the center of our page. We start right in the middle. Let's start with a point. Now from this point I'm just going to curve the mouth going up and then out towards the left. Now from the center we're just going to bend this down a little bit lower, going up and out towards the right. Let's bend the mouth coming down and in towards the center in an angle. So we'll start on the left. Come down, bend that in, go up to the right, bring this down towards that bottom point. Let's add the top row of teeth. We'll start in the center with a V, coming down and then up. Now on the left side, we're going to draw another tooth, coming down, pull that up towards the top of the mouth. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add the bottom row of teeth. Starting from the center, go up, bring that down towards the left. Do the same thing on the right. Now we'll add one more tooth on either side. Let's add a curve in the center for the tongue, going up the middle and then back down. Now we'll fill the inside of the mouth along the top, going around the teeth and the tongue. Let's draw the outside of the beak along the bottom. From this point, we're going to step out, just follow that same curve, going down and then in towards the middle, and go up along the right side. Now close off the top of the beak with a half circle. Go up towards the top, round this out, and then bring that down on the right. Now I'm going to draw the eyes on top of the beak. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw an oval, going up towards the top, round this out. Now we're just going to tuck that in behind the top of the beak. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's add a small highlight circle on top of each eye. And it will fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now that we have the eyes and the beak, let's draw a large circle for the head in behind. We start on the bottom side of the beak on the left, curve the head going all the way around, go up towards the top of the head in the middle, round up the head, and then bring that down towards the right, and we'll just tuck that in on the bottom right side of the beak. Now let's move down and draw the side of the neck. We'll start underneath the beak in the center, curve the neck coming down and then out, move over towards the right, come down and out towards the right side. Let's draw the top edge of the wing, starting back over on the left, then the wing going out and then down. Now I'm going to bring the wing coming back in towards the body. On the left, bend this up and then in. Let's draw the side of the body tucked in underneath the wing. So we'll step out, curve the body going out, bend that in towards the hip, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to move to the center, step down, draw the bottom edge of the body. Coming down, and then back up. From the ends, we're going to step in, curve the inside of the leg going out, and then down towards the ankles. And then we'll curve the feet coming in and then down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left side, curve the foot coming down and then up. Now from the outside, we're going to round out the foot, coming back in, aiming towards this point, but we're going to leave a gap along the inside. Let's go back to the hips, step up, curve the outside of the leg, coming around, and bending that in. And I'll curve the leg coming down and out on top of the feet. Let's separate the leg from this point, going down and then up. Now I'm going to move to an ultra fine point marker at the very top and add 2 small ovals for the nostrils. One on the left and one on the right. And now we're going to grab our orange marker and fill the inside of the beak and the nostril. We'll also use that same color across the feet. Let's grab our red and fill the inside of the tongue. And then with our bright yellow, we'll fill the inside of the head and body. And once we finish coloring in our drawing, we'll sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color yellow from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.